Hey guys, this is Ronnie from iSectra. Today I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot any printer related issues. So if you're experiencing any printer related issue, most of the time you can just troubleshoot it yourself. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, go to the Windows option at the bottom and type troubleshoot. Select the option that says troubleshoot settings and choose the option other troubleshooters. You can use the same option to troubleshoot your internet connection, or if there is some issues with your audio device or Windows update. There are other options that you can choose according to what the issue that you're facing. We're going to select printer and hit run. What it does uh, a self-diagnostic in the background, and if there is anything stuck in the printer queue, it's gonna just automatically clear that. And if there's anything else, just let your IT department know. Believe IT, believe iSectra.